Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x81000036 Windows could not find backup devices, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a clean boot. And why are we performing a clean boot? This is to reduce the chances of interference by other software products on the computer. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. And lastly, update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane or any other option you get here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.